Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 15 Pro Max 512 gigabyte, and you can see the battery capacity is 95% and the taco count 595, and this is LL version, and also this unlocked one, and you can see this color, this beautiful color, and the charging port, no scratches, and you can see the button, no scratches. Also no scratches, and also here. Okay, no problem. No problem. You can see the back. Okay, no problem. The top one, no problem. And let me show you the. You can see this is the model name is iPhone 15 Pro and the L version, US version, and the 512 gigabytes. And also in the screen, no problem. Let me show you the battery. Okay, you can see the battery information. The battery capacity is 95 and 195. Okay, manufacture date is July 2024, and let me show you the screen. You can see the screen. Okay, here can you see here some little scratch here, not clear. Let me show you. Okay, the screen, some scratch here. Only here has some screen. Okay. And also this one, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the iPhone and MacBook. Okay, and show you this one. There's one 82%, also 16 Pro Max of 512 gigabytes, and also you can see here no scratches, no problem, no scratches. Also, I forget. I want to tell you this is a US version, so you can see no SIM card, so you can use the eSIM. Okay. Let me show you the information. You can see LL version, also 512, and the battery capacity. Okay, 92% is 398. August 2024. You can see the brand new. Looks like brand new. Okay, the shining button. You can see beautiful. Okay, I'm in the wholesale market about the MacBook. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay, see you in the next video.